Did you see that new SUV? That's the all-new 2025 ISUZU Mu-X 4WD. Welcome back to Future Auto. Today, we're unveiling the 2025 ISUZU Mu-X, and it's nothing short of impressive. From rugged luxury to next-gen features, this SUV might just set a new benchmark. So buckle up as we explore every angle of this incredible machine. The 2025 Mu-X boasts a bold and muscular stance with a redesigned front grille, sharp LED headlamps, and a commanding road presence. Its sculpted sides, chrome touches, and 20-inch alloy wheels scream premium. At the rear, sleek tail lights and a roof spoiler complete its aggressive yet elegant look, an SUV that commands attention in every driveway. Step inside, and the Mu-X wraps you in comfort. Leather seats, soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and dual-zone climate control create a refined cabin. The 10.1-inch infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and digital driver display keep you connected. With spacious 3-row seating and flexible cargo space, it's designed for both family and adventure. Under the hood, the 2025 Mu-X packs a robust 3.0L turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. Its 4WD system offers multiple drive modes for tackling any terrain. Whether cruising highways or off-roading, its 190 horsepower and 450 Nm torque deliver thrilling and dependable performance without compromising ride comfort. The Mu-X isn't just muscle, it's smart. It comes loaded with features like a 9-speaker surround sound system, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, and smart key access. The infotainment system is intuitive, quick, and integrated with voice recognition. It's like having a high-tech control hub right at your fingertips, every drive. Safety is top tier with ADAS, 8 airbags, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras. ISUZU also impresses with a reinforced frame and emergency braking system. Fuel economy is surprisingly good for a 4WD SUV, around 13 to 15 km/h, making it efficient for long trips without compromising capability. Safety and savings in one powerful package. The 2025 Mu-X comes in multiple trims, ranging from the base LS to the fully loaded LSE variant. Prices start around $40,000 and can climb to $52,000 depending on configuration. Given the premium features, advanced tech, and rugged capabilities, the Mu-X offers serious value for money. It's a smart buy in today's competitive SUV market. So, is the 2025 ISUZU Mu-X 4WD worth it? Absolutely. With luxury design, strong performance, cutting-edge tech, and rugged versatility, it's a complete package. Whether you're a family driver or adventure seeker, the Mu-X checks all the boxes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Auto for more reviews. See you on the road.